my channel. So today I will teach you how to calculate units consumption and electricity cost for the usage of fridge. So let's get started without wasting time. So uh, the fridge brand is Matic Fish Matic Fridge. So this fridge is mostly used in USA. So I will calculate its cost and number of units that has been consumed by this fridge. So its rating is 150 watt to 900 watt. So I will pick up 400 watt for my assumption. So its rating will start from 150 watt to 900 watt. So for let's suppose I am taking 400 watt. So uh, first of all we have to convert this into kilowatt. For that 400 divide by 1000 kilowatt is equal to 0.4 kilowatt. So you should remember that 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. So this is in kilowatt hour, so we have to convert it into kilowatt hour. So let's suppose 0.4 kilowatt. If you will run your fridge for 15 hours in a day, 15 hours in a day, so it will consume 6 units in a day. So if you will run your fridge continuously for 30 days, it will consume 180 units. So for that, simply you have to multiply 6 number of units, then multiply by 30 for 30 days. So that will equal to 180 units. 180 units. So now we have to calculate the cost. So now we have to find out the cost, total cost. The cost we have to calculate. So there is a formula to calculate the total cost. So total cost is equal to number of units multiply by cost per unit. So this is the formula to calculate the total cost that the fridge has consumed. How many units? So let's suppose in our case the total number of units are 180. So 180 multiply by if the cost per unit in the USA is $10, one unit price is $10. So just multiply it $10. So the final answer would be $1,800 per month. The fridge will take the total number of cost. So let's suppose if you want to calculate this cost in your currency, in rupees, simply you have to multiply it with your rupees, your currency. 180 multiplied by 30 per unit cost is 30 rupees. So that will be equal to 5040 PKR rupees. So thank you so much viewers. Please tap on the subscribe button.